Alright, so I'm working on my Dodge 2500 again. I'm going to change the pitman arm. This is something you'll have to do if you upgrade from the Y-style steering that came on the 03 to 07.5 to the newer 2008 and up. And I've already done that. I think I have a problem here with my pitman arm where the drag link connects to it. I have play back and forth here. I think it's actually in the taper because I've changed this twice now and there's still play right in that joint. I can feel it rocking back and forth. So this has already got the updated steering on it from a newer truck. And usually these are a pain to get off. So what we're going to do to change this is remove this cotter pin, this nut, so we can get the inner drag link off. We'll back this nut off probably 3/4 of the way, and then we'll put a puller up on this and see if we can get it off of there. I did end up buying a new puller. This is an OTC model 8150 large pitman arm puller. There's not a whole lot of room between the gearbox housing and the pitman arm, so I think this will slide in there pretty good. Here's our new pitman arm. So let's give this a shot and see what we can do. I already loosened this cotter pin and nut. That's a 22mm. Alright, this I don't have any metric sockets that fit it, but I have a 1 5/16" 3/4 drive. Yes and no, it's not an impact socket. Alright. Let's see how this puller works. Well, it doesn't quite get to the center of the sector shaft. Well, there it goes. You can see where the grease is down there. Can kind of tell where the drag link wasn't making good contact inside that taper. Ree never sees that. It's pretty cold out. I think it's like 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Now there's 4 larger splines in here, so it's pretty hard to screw up indexing it. Alright, that's tight. Pretty happy with how that puller worked. If you have a knocking when you go over bumps in your front end, this is also something you can check. These are the swaybar mount bushings. This one's shot. Another thing you can check is your end lengths. Which are right there. These bushings can go bad, or this joint here can go bad. Looks like mine are just the mounts. They're cheap, easy to replace. Just remove 4 bolts. I have to measure the diameter of this bar because a lot of manufacturers will offer different sizes depending on the packages the truck could be equipped with. So something else to look at for a front end.